One of the more complex positions on the reformer is getting your feet in the straps. So we're going to talk you through that today. To get your feet in the straps, the easiest way to do it is to pop both feet in the foot bar and push your legs out until they're almost straight. Once you've done that, you can grab the ropes from beside your ears and pull them up in front of you. Bring one leg up towards tabletop position and you can slip the long strap over your foot. Push out so that you've taken up the slack with this strap, and then use the other leg and slip it into the straps as well. Bring both legs into tabletop position and then you can start whatever exercise you're going to do with your instructor. To get back out, you basically just do the opposite. So first of all, you're going to take the strap off one leg while the other one stays in that tabletop position. Reach out and grab the foot bar, and then you can take the other strap off and put the straps back on the spikes. All done.
Hey guys, I'm Sophia. I'm one of the physios here at Stones Corner Health and Fitness. Today we're going to look at how we adjust the foot bar. Now the standard position, as you can see, is here, which is on the third rung. But if you do need to change it for certain exercises, your instructor will tell you, and if you do have any trouble, they will help as well. But what we find is it can be a bit difficult sometimes, but just give it a really good pull out until you hear it clunk, and then you can lower it down, or you can lower it up more depending on where you need it. Once you've got it in the position you want it, just release it until it slots itself back in, and you can give it a shake to make sure it's properly in its position.